Imagine a place where happiness isn't just an abstract idea, but a way of life. Have you ever dreamt of escaping to a land where the hustle and stress of modern living melt away, leaving only peace and contentment? Welcome to Finland, a frosty paradise where breathtaking landscapes intertwine with a serene, simple existence. Here, in a country with just 5.5 million people, life unfolds at a pace as calm and steady as the snow that blankets the countryside for much of the year. Consistently ranked as the happiest nation on Earth, Finland is where tranquility rules. Picture a place where the daily grind is an alien concept, and life's rhythm mirrors the serene, snow-covered terrains that stretch across this northern wonderland. Often called the land of 1,000 lakes, Finland's true magic lies in its nearly 188,000 lakes and almost as many islands, creating a landscape that feels straight out of a fairy tale. And speaking of beauty, let's talk about the people. Finnish women, known for their striking looks, blend Scandinavian and Slavic heritage to create a unique elegance that's admired worldwide. But their appeal goes beyond physical appearance. There's a quiet strength and confidence in Finnish women that's truly captivating. Imagine being in a place where beauty isn't just skin deep, but also reflects a deep connection to nature and culture. Despite its modest population, Finland covers an expansive area of 338,000 square kilometers. This vastness, coupled with a small population, fosters an environment of prosperity and high per capita income. With a GDP of $310 billion, translating to roughly $60,000 per person, Finland offers its citizens a quality of life where wealth is shared and happiness is a collective goal. Ever wondered what it would be like to live in a place where prosperity and contentment go hand in hand? Finland's appeal extends beyond its borders. With a passport ranked third in the world, granting Finns visa-free access to numerous countries. This powerful passport opens doors for residence permits and business opportunities globally, offering a level of freedom and mobility that few other nations can match. One of Finland's most beloved contributions to the world is the sauna, a cornerstone of Finnish culture. With over 3 million saunas scattered across the country, more than one for every 2 residents, the sauna experience is more than just a way to warm up. It's a ritual of relaxation and rejuvenation. Imagine sinking into the soothing heat of a sauna while gazing out at a snowy landscape, letting the warmth wash away your stress. But there's more to Finland than saunas and lakes. This country is steeped in history and tradition, with roots tracing back to Central Asia and Siberia. The northern region of Lapland, home to the indigenous Sami people, is a place of wonder, where visitors can meet the real Santa Claus in Rovaniemi or marvel at the northern lights from September to March. Known as the land of the midnight sun, Finland also offers 24-hour daylight from May to August, a truly unique experience. Finland's education system is another point of pride, offering free and equal education to all. With a focus on practical, hands-on learning, Finnish schools equip students with the tools to face real-world challenges. Imagine studying in a country where education is not just about theory, but about instilling knowledge that lasts a lifetime. Safety is paramount in Finland. known for its trustworthiness and low crime rates. With vast green spaces, clean air, and a deep commitment to preserving nature, Finland is a sanctuary for those seeking a high quality of life. Visitors often remark on the fresh air and the abundance of pine forests, which cover over 70% of the country, making Finland a global leader in environmental conservation. For thrill seekers, Finland offers adventures like icebreaker cruises across frozen lakes and the Baltic Sea, where you can even dive into icy waters in specially designed suits. Or picture yourself sledding with Siberian huskies through snow-covered landscapes, a scene straight out of a Hollywood movie. Can you imagine embarking on such an exhilarating journey? However, Finland is not without its challenges. The long, dark winters can be tough, contributing to higher rates of depression, particularly among older citizens. And while Finland offers excellent healthcare, education, and natural beauty, some struggle with the existential questions that come with aging in a society where belief in an afterlife is uncommon. This can lead to a sense of despair, even in a country so full of life. In recent years, Finland's proximity to Russia has added a layer of uncertainty. But joining NATO has brought a sense of security, backed by 30 member countries. Finland is now more prepared than ever to face any challenges that arise. As we conclude our journey through Finland, it's clear that this country is a place of contrasts, where beauty and peace coexist with the complexities of modern life. So, have you ever wondered what it would be like to live in a land that offers both serenity and adventure?